Hello friends, and welcome to NitiVidya Books channel. Don't forget to subscribe and support us to bring you such amazing stories. Today's read aloud story is The Magic Button, a Rug Road adventure from the NitiTales collection and written by Monika Sharma. Are you ready? Let's start.
Welcome to the Magic Rug Road. Reddie the red bus and Greenie are zooming fast. Vroom, honk. I want to see the sunset, honks Reddie. I must reach the end of the rug before the moon wakes up. Oh no, Greenie, the green car is in the way. They are stuck nose to nose. It's a traffic jam. Who will go first? Let's find the first magic button. Found it. The please button. Press it. Reddie asks, please, Greenie, may I go first? I don't want to miss the sunset. Yes, Reddie, Greenie beams. Reddie zooms past. Vroom! But wait, sputter, cough, stop. Reddie is stuck again. He forgot to say the magic word to Greenie. His engine won't run without it. There it is, the thank you button. Press it fast to hear the V-room. Reddie says, thank you. Ding. Greenie feels happy. Wait for me, Reddie. I want to see the sunset too. Let's go together, says Reddie. Now they are driving like a team. Wait, who is that on the road? It's Rabbi. He's having a cozy, quiet nap. Shh, we can't wake him up. We need to be sneaky. Let's find another button. Found the quiet button. Press it. Tiptoe. Roll. Look, there's someone reaching for the sky. Flocky wants to see the sunset too, but his tower is wobbling. He's reaching, stretching. He's gonna fall. Let's find another button. Quick, the help button. Press it. Stack, stack. The tower is tall and safe. But what is that icky smell? Yeah, it's a mess monster, says Reddie. We can't watch the sunset with this mess, says Greenie. Found the cleanup button. Press it fast. The rug is happy again. Come on, Miko, calls Greenie. Miko joins the friends by the big window. They made it just in time. The sun is waving a golden goodbye. Toot toot, says Reddie. The room feels warm and cozy. The playroom is quiet. Reddie, Greenie, Rabby, and Blocky are all fast asleep under the moon. They used kind words. They helped and cleaned. Good night, little helpers, whispers the moon.
Hello, friends. I am so happy to see you all today. Let's have some fun.
First question is, what were Reddie and Greenie rushing to see at the end of the rug? Tell me, I am waiting. That's right, the sunset. Great job. Question number 2. Who was having a cozy, quiet nap right in the middle of the road? Yes, it was Rabby. Shh. We hope he's still having sweet dreams. Last one. Which magic button did Reddie and Greenie press to fix the wobbly tower of blocks? Wow, you got it. The help button. Working together is the best. You are all amazing little helpers. Thanks for playing along. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such stories. See you next time.
Hey there, my friend. Did you enjoy the Magic Button story? I hope you had as much fun on the Rug Road as Reddie and Greenie did. But guess what? The adventure doesn't stop here. There are 4 more exciting stories waiting for you in the NitiTales book. You can watch them all right here on our NitiTales YouTube playlist, or ask your parents to check the link in the description to buy your very own copy of the book. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss out on our amazing and engaging stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.